Solution for dull tired skin that provides light to medium coverage. Foam technology fights off everyday growth of bad stuff that comes from old makeup, dead skin cells and more. Use with foundations, concealers, tinted moisturizers for a natural luminous finish. Use damp for dewy finish or dry for matte. 3-point precision makeup application. Flat edge for large areas, round side for contours, and precision tip for crevices and under your eyes. 100% cruelty-free, vegan, and latex-free. Flawless results. Real Techniques is one of the first brands to bring prestige quality, award-winning, and innovative tools at a great value to the beauty-obsessed around the world. Since 2011, we have been creating tools and accessories to help make the most of your favorite makeup. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite makeup sponge. This has to be the best dupe for the Beauty Blender. I have been using the Real Techniques sponge since high school in attempt to save money, and it has not disappointed me. My only complaint is that the sponges I ordered most recently arrived dirty. One of the 4 sponges had something black on it, either dirt or mold.